Secured, convenient, at elegant living ba ang hanap mo? Dahil dito sa Amaresa Marilao, you're not just buying a house, you're upgrading your lifestyle.
Hi guys, this is Jel Morado. Welcome back to another house tour. Today, samahan nyo ako dito sa Amaresa Marilao sa Loma de Gato, Marilao, Bulacan. And ang itutur ko sa inyo is super ganda at super sulit ang area prime unit. May floor area na 99 square meter at lot area na 96 square meter. Swak na swak para sa growing family or yung gusto lang ng extra space to breathe and live well. Pagpasok mo pa lang, ang welcoming na ng vibes. Ito na agad ang living area, perfect para sa chill tambay, Netflix night o family bonding every weekend. Spacious, maaliwalas, and very modern ang layout. Tapos ang daming natural light, hilaw tipid sa kuryente. Next up, ang dining area. Dito, every meal feels special. Kahit simpleng ulam, parang handaan lagi. And look at the kitchen. Ang neat at may storage pang kasama. Ito ang isa sa favorite spot ko, ang family area. Pwede itong maging game room, mini home theater, or kahit work from home space. Multipurpose at very flexible depende sa lifestyle nyo. Area Prime has 3 bedrooms. Enough space for the whole family or kung gusto mo ng guest room or home office. Look at this master bedroom. Well lit at ang sarap gumising dito every morning. Yung dalawang rooms, perfect for kids, guests, or hobby room. And syempre, meron tayong toilet and bath. Modern ang fixtures, maaliwalas din at may enough space para sa lahat ng skincare at shower drama nyo. Tada! Ang laki ng balcony! 15 square meter to guys. Pwede kayong mag-coffee dates dito every morning o wine night sa gabi with the view. Pwede rin magtanim ng plants, magmuni-muni, or mag-TikTok dance challenge. Syempre, may aesthetic vibes dapat tayo. So ayun na nga guys. That's the Area Prime unit dito sa Amaresa Marilao. Spacious, stylish, at swak sa modern Filipino lifestyle. Kung naghahanap kayo ng may 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath at may big balcony, all in a peaceful, accessible location sa Bulacan. This might just be your dream home.
Tara na, dito sa Amaresa Marilao.